Hello, me hearties. A very good morning to you. It's just me, Scottie McCLUE, and I thought I'd pop up and have a wee chat with you. It's 6:30 in the morning, and it's the 1st of April, Tuesday, the 1st of April. Oh, can you believe it? The days are fleeing in, as we say in Scotland. But 1st of April, I'm nobody's fool, of course, and it's lovely to see all of you. Now, Terry's just joined us. DINKY-DOO, Terry. Lovely to see you. Morty's joined us. I tell you, Morty, and that's fantastic. And the GM's joined us. I tell you, Morty, yes, you tell me then. I don't mind who tells who, as long as somebody tells somebody. Chrissy's joined us. Good morning, Chrissy. And lovely to have you with us. And a big DINKY-DOO this morning at 6:31 in the morning. Staz has joined. Unknown has joined. Lucent has joined. Luke's joined. Clown Paint has joined. Linda is with us. Tony, this is amazing. Adam, Mark, fantastic. Tam, lovely. A very good morning to all of you. And welcome, welcome to Scottie McCLUE's pop-up first thing in the morning. I'm going to see, this camera looks a little bit misty. I'm just going to give it a little rub to see if that's any better. I tell you, Tony, DINKY-DOO, Paul, lovely to have you with us. Thank you for following. Bulldog has joined us. Guys, thanks to all the followers. Tremendous stuff. Astra as well, Fetzer, and the boy, Chris. I tell you, get a shout out. Tell us where you're watching from, guys. Pat and Sharon have joined us as well. Scott's just joined us. And my, what a turnout. Trev, DINKY-DOO. Jam, DINKY-DOO. Pardon me, guys. Sorry, a bit of a chest this morning for some reason. Maybe it's just the 1st of April. Maybe it's the universe having a wee laugh with me. Now, what do we got here? Paul, let's get rid of you fast, because this world is not the right one for you, la. I can tell you. There he goes. Wonderful. Right, fantastic. Nana Rose is there as well. DINKY-DOO, Nana Rose. How lovely to have you with us, Kerry Louise. All the beautiful people. Mary Dolls joined us as well. And Thomas, good morning. Now, tell us where you're watching from. I want to get all the places together so we can see what's what. I tell you now. There we go. Matt, Amir as well. Lovely to have Amir with us. And Keith. Wow. I'm in Austin in Texas. How wonderful. We love it. Life's too short to argue. I don't know. We like an argument. Morning, Mr. McCLUE. I'm in Newcastle upon Tyne, and the fog is all mine. I tell you, lovely to have you with us. And DINKY-DOO to Justine. Wonderful, Justine. Thank you for joining us. Tremendous stuff. And it is early in the morning. Crawley in West Sussex. Morty. I remember going into the radio station at Crawley. Now, what was it called? Mercury Radio. Does that ring a bell? You might be too young, Morty. I tell you. We love West Sussex. Hello, says Andy. How old are you? We just don't know, Andy. I could be between 1 million and 2 million, because I'm a time traveller. Are you Scottish? Yes, nothing gets past you. You're a bit of a Sherlock Holmes. I am indeed Scottish. So there you go. I tell you. Is your picture a little bit misty? Interesting. It might just be the colours or something like that. I tried giving the lens a little polish up there. I say. Now, what have we got? Some comments have been filtered. I love that. That means the wee trolls have been booted down the Swanee. We love that. You're up early, Scottie. No, we're always up early. We just don't always live stream early. See what I just did there? Guys, I've got 203 likes. We had 71,000 in an hour 2 weeks ago. I love this. Some of the comments have been filtered to protect the community's experience. There's the wonderful Pauline. Morning, Scottie. Morning, Pauline. Lovely to have you with us. Very warm welcome. Who else have we got? You put a smile on my face. Sir, I love your hat. Thank you. It's a very precious hat. It's 33 years old. The fog in the town is all mine, all mine. The fog in the town is all mine. Quite right, Justin. I tell you, yes, Hayden, you are correct. You're a legend, Scottie. Well, Pauline, you're very, very kind. I've only been doing this for 33 years. So there we are. Radio Mercury. Yes, Morty. Thank you. You tell me. My parents are from Scotland, but I was raised in Singapore and America. How interesting. What a fabulous pedigree. Singapore and America. Bonnie Bridge is saying hello to you, Mr. McCLUE. Thank you very much, Thomas. That's brilliant. Bonnie Bridge. Denny and Dunny Pace. Very good morning, Scottie, old boy. Chris, lovely to have you with us. And very good morning and a dinky-doo. Come on, everybody, up you get and into the shower with you. Let's get everybody freshened up. Yes, I did, Hayden. We said that now. Hayden, don't say it again because that's spamming and I have to ban you. And we don't want to do that. So there we are. Do you like a girl that drinks 18 glasses of wine a night? No, Michelle, because she'll make herself very, very, very ill very, very quickly. It's amazing how quickly the body goes downhill, with that kind of poisoning. Morning, Scottie. Morning, Evelyn. Lovely to have you with us in a big dinky-doo. Hello from the north of France. Michel, bonjour, bonjour. Ça va, oui, moi aussi, je regrette, mais je ne parle pas français très vite. Si tu parles lentement, peut-être je comprends, oui. Bonjour, bonjour. I tell you, wiggle, 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 honeymans. I tell you, technically everyone's a time traveler. Ordeal. A very good point. Technically, everybody is a time traveller. So there we go. How are you getting on, Scottie? Jake, lovely to see you. We're getting on very well. This is just quick pop-up to say hi. Everybody get following. Would you fall in love with an Irish girl? Oh, Michelle, just the drop of a hat in a heartbeat. Whereabouts are you from? I will know it. Hello from Arizona, Batmando. How lovely to have you with us from Arizona. What have you got there? Out in the desert with all the beautiful, beautiful rocks and things. Now, good evening from Australia, Scottie. Captain Cash. Yes, indeed. How lovely to have you with us from down under. Morning, Scottie. Used to love listening to your late night phone-in radio show years ago. Lindsay, what a lovely thing to say. Scottie, my dad knew you. Derek, yes. Yes, Pauline. Wonderful stuff. Good morning from Stranraer. Jake, I love it. You have such a beautiful view in Stranraer. I can tell you. Loving the cap, the Lion King, Dinky-Doo. This is my lion jungle cap. Good morning, Scottie from Ireland. You're up early. No, we're always up early. We're streaming early. Oh, see the difference? I tell you. Sean's just followed us. Guys, get following as soon as you can. Very, very important. I need everybody on TikTok following. There's Paul Mall. Paul Mall, Dinky-Doo, the darts. I told you I'd only played properly once, and the guy that was teaching me said, "You've beaten me." Captain Glasgow has sent a heart me. I thank you, Captain Glasgow. Guys, we never, ever, ever ask for anything. But there is a little goal there if anybody's feeling flush and they want to pop in a red rose or a heart me or a fist bump or I don't know, a racing car. You've got a flash go. Wow. Dinky-Doo. How do we do that? What do we do with that? Let's tap it. 12 gifters has sent Heart Me to you live in 15 minutes. Wow. So let's try 15 minutes, flash go, and see if 12 people can send me a Heart Me. Right? So there you are. We're watching. Follow us as soon as you can. Thank you to Oneji and to CMC for following. Mind you, years ago on the radio, says Oneji. Yes, Oneji. Freddie's just joined us. If you could be in any battle in history, what would it be? If you could be in any battle in history, what would it be? I suppose it would be Bannockburn in 1314. But I wouldn't want to be in a battle, really. My poor old dad was in a battle, and my poor old grandpa was in a battle. My grandpa fought at Gallipoli in 1915. So there you are. Captain Glasgow has reposted. Thank you, guys. Guys, share, repost, follow me, everything. Let's get this moving a little bit. I tell you. James has reposted as well. How beautiful. James, thank you. And thank you to Freddie Smith and Howard Duffy for following. Morty's reposted. I tell you, Morty, James is showering me with red roses. James, that is so kind of you. 20 red roses. Oh, wow. And James also has sent a heart me for this goal. We need another 10 heart me's, guys, in the next 10 minutes. 1 a minute. Hey, Scottie boy. James, you're a member of the team. Kellar Official. How lovely to have you with us. We like official people. That's beautiful, that. I tell you. Now, who else? We've got Rivers just joined, and Nick has joined as well. This is incredible. We've just popped up. We popped up at past, and I thought we'd pop up for a little half-hour's chat, see how everybody's getting on. Morning, Scotland. James, absolutely. Captain Glasgow has liked the live. Guys, like and share and follow and everything you can get up to. That would just be amazing. Wonderful stuff. Jake's with us as well. Jake has sent gold boxing gloves. Jake, that's beautiful. Thank you very, very much. Jake McComb. So there we go. Now, It's Hot has just joined us. McCLUE, I tell you, thank you very much, Captain Glasgow. That's brilliant. Wonderful, wonderful stuff. Now, who else have we got here? And Morty's liking the live. That's beautiful. There we go. The other day, I had a gentleman on from Pakistan. I think it was a bit of an accident, and I must have tapped his name, and he popped up from Pakistan. Just incredible. Wonderful stuff, guys. If you've just joined us, Colin, good morning, and Andrew and Hobbs. If you've just joined us, a very warm welcome. Lovely to have you all with us, and a big dinky-doo from Scottie, McCLUE. This is what it's all about, I tell you. Everybody should be following Scottie McCLUE on TikTok. It's the one. It's TikTok's top talk show. You try saying that. Jake, thank you for my Easter egg. I'm in San Jose. Where are you at, bro? Big bro. Uniborough, I am in Scotland. So there we are. Wonderful to have you with us. Paul's just joined us. Good to have you with us, Paul. Thank you very much. I tell you, this is what it's about, guys. Wonderful, wonderful stuff. Now, just dealing with a little troll here. Is away. I'm in Australia, says Simondo. Scottie land. Oh, excellent. We like that. Guys, tell us where you're watching from. We want to know. Good evening, sir. Dachum in Australia. It's good evening, I tell you. So you must be down under. Fantastic. We've a lot of people watching in Australia. Big, big following in America. Yes, I tell you. I'm in Glasgow. I know Captain Glasgow. You're in Glasgow, the finest city in the world. Amazing. Now, who else have we got here? We've got Zachary. Oh, well, Robert has just joined us. Jax has joined us. And Jack Webley, Dinky-Doo, Jan is with us. Fantastic. Wait, from New York, it's 1:46 a.m. here. It's 6:46 a.m. here. So we are 5 hours ahead of you. Isn't that wonderful? And we love you in the Big Apple, the city that never sleeps. So there we are. Sir, I have a geology professor who visited Papua New Guinea. Is it as bad as she said it was? I don't know. I don't think any was that bad. I tell you, Papua New Guinea. Hello, hello, this is Gabe. I tell you. Hello from Boston. We love you in Boston, in Massachusetts. Isn't that lovely? Dinky-Doo, I say to you. Now, there we have it. Oh, who else have we got with us? Astru is with us. Dinky-Doo, lovely to have you with us. Sir, truly I say to you, I am in Dallas, in Texas. Skinny Walk. How lovely to have you with us here. I'm not always in Glasgow, says Captain Glasgow. I sometimes go to Edinburgh, Arry, or Stirling. A wee day out. Where is Arry, Captain Glasgow? Captain Glasgow's got the #1 gifter badge. How kind is that? Guys, if you're sending a heart me, you need to do it in the next 5 minutes. And I need 10 of them. So there we are. Invite Gallego. Yes, Gallego, Dinky-Doo. What a fine name. Gallego. Christy's joined us. Guys, tell us where you're watching from. That's what makes it more interesting. We love to know. Exquisite. Oh, exquisite. I tell you. Tony Gary, Jake's back with ice cream. Jake, thank you. Jake, have a look at a heart me. See if we can reach our goal. We need 10 of them. Jake sent an ice cream cone times 5. Is that not beautiful? What a top man. Thank you, Jake. Smiler Kai, meant to say Air Beach, Scottie. Ah, got you. I wondered where Harry was. Hello, Harry. Oh, join my team. Guys, I'm getting heart me's. Can only send 1 each. Absolutely, James. Yes, indeed. So we're looking for 9 in the next 2 or 3 minutes. No, 1's plenty. 1's beautiful. That's what it's all about. 9 heart me's in the next few minutes, and we might make our goal. It's time barred, you see. That's the thing. But I've got 3 out of 12. Captain Glasgow has liked the live. Guys, like, follow, share as much as you can. I tell you, I think we've got, we're a little bit limited this morning. I'm just wondering if there's an outage or something. So my device's batteries are a low percentage. I shall be exiting now, sir. I wish you the best, sir. Skinny Walk, I wish you the best. I thank you. Top person. Skinny Walk's batteries down, guys. We've got 10 more minutes, and we'll see how we do. Captain Glasgow, thank you for liking all the lives. Oh, my goodness me. Oh, definitely, yes. Right. Now, what have we got here? Thank you for all these heart me's, guys. That's so good of you all. James has sent a lovely heart me. How's it you do that? I'm trying to do the heart me. I think that is absolutely beautiful. So there we go. Thank you for the hand heart. So there we have it. 9 more heart me's in the next minute or two, and we might make it. Now, what else have we got going on here, guys? Hi from Fife. Marianne's in Fife. Marianne, where did the saying come? If you're supping with the Fifers, you have to use a lang spoon. I've just had a huge treasure box times 20. Wow! Amazing stuff. Thank you, Simon. What a lovely thing to say. Dinky-Doo. Who else have we got? We've got Whitney. Whitney's just joined us. Simon Leonich. What a lovely name, Leonich. I tell you. Andy and Bluish are there. Fantastic stuff. And Nicola is there. Dinky-Doo. Fantastic. This is amazing, guys. This is beyond all comprehension. And more followers, please. I need another 30. I tell you. So there we have it. Follow us as soon as you can. Andy, good morning and welcome. For some reason, there's Jordan's very confused. Gordon's saying good morning to Donald. Who is Donald? I tell you. Jake sent Slay. Now, I've been told I'm Slay. Is that a compliment? I tell you. Good morning, the Clitty Dumpling Army. How lovely to have you with us, Dinky-Doo. So there we go. Adam is talking. I don't know who Donald is. So there we go. Follow us, guys, as soon as you can. Hi, King Scott. Hi, Alex. How lovely to have you with us. And a big Dinky-Doo to you. Scottie McCLUE just popping up. We popped up this morning at 6:30. There's another heart me. Wow. We only need 8 now. Clitty Dumpling, you're on the team. And Jake has sent a basketball. Mr. Pickles, 5. Guys, we only need 7 heart me's. Thank you, Mr. Pickles. I bow to you, says Alex. I bow to you, Alex. There we have it. Always bow to all our top people on here. Andy has joined us, Dinky-Doo, Vanessa, Mr. Pickles. How fantastic. Mr. Pickles at number 4. Jake's sent a GG. Jake, watch your pennies. I don't want you to bankrupt yourself with all your kindness to McCLUE this morning. Absolutely beautiful. So there we go. I need another 30 followers, guys. So you need to go up to the top left and tap the plus sign. Scottie's the GOAT. It's a big compliment, Scottie. It means the greatest of all time. Captain Glasgow, you are the GOAT of captains. There's Alex, Dinky-Doo. Alex, lovely to have you with us. I like the Clitty Dumpling Army. An army marches on its stomach, and we're all having a Clitty Dumpling. Jake sent a finger heart. Is that not beautiful? Guys, we need 7 more heart me's if we're going to make it in time. We might be out of time. Linny's just joined us. Morning, Linny. Lovely to have you with us, and a very warm welcome to Scottie McCLUE Live. Yes, we should be able to put up a wee thing along the bottom to say it's Scottie McCLUE. Banana Split, welcome, I tell you. Morning, Scottie. Morning, Norman. So there we are. Alex, I don't know if I can mention a message, now, Michelle says, I think you're hateful for those who enjoy wine. Yes, but in moderation, Michelle. I'm not hateful at all. What worries me is that somebody as lovely as yourself could poison themselves with alcohol. You know, so there's nothing hateful about looking after your health. You know, you might be hateful yourself, and that's why you need so much alcohol. You know, you've got to watch all that. Are you up to much today? Norman the Ned, absolutely maxed today. Maxed, I tell you. So there we go. That's why I thought we need to pop up early. You know what I mean? Because we're maxed. Captain Glasgow, you've been an absolute rock throughout all this. Margaret, thank you for reposting. That's so beautiful. Dinky-Doo every day. It's Scottie McCLUE, just popping up to say good morning to you. Yes, it's coming up to 7 o'clock. Into the shower with you all. Fair enough, I need to go to Argos in Dumbarton to get my niece some stuff. Yes, absolutely. Well, my niece, you know, I wondered what to get her for Christmas. And her mum said she's into frozen stuff. So I went down to Iceland and got some peas and some broccoli. So I hope that was a good present. Sage has followed us, Dinky-Doo. Hello from the States, Scott. Wow. Beautiful fist bump, guys. Yes, indeed. Hello from the States, Scott. Whereabouts, which state are you on? We're big Trump fans on here. I'm sure you'd love it, says Norman the Ned. Hello from Clydebank. We love you in Clydebank, Holly. You're a banky. Big fan of Clydebank, I can tell you. Now, who else have we got? Thank you for following Evelyn. Evelyn from Alabama. Scott, I'm just going to sit back and talk Alabama to you. And you all have a nice day. I'll message after the live, sir. Right, Alex, see how we go. Hello from Birmingham in Alabama. There was a question and a quiz show recently, and it was about, you know, what cities in America. Have you been to Balloch, Scottie? Many times. Norman the Ned, big fan. What's up, Hat Dude from Arlington in Texas? Dinky-Doo, I tell you. Texas is TX, isn't it, Nick? Yes, indeed. Follow us, guys. That's where I stay. Norman the Ned. What a lovely part of the world to stay in. Scott has followed me. Scott Ritchie, thank you. Hello from Orlando in Florida. Sage. McClue's massive in America. I think I'll come to America and do some broadcasting. Morning from Geordie and Falkirk. Where is Geordie and Falkirk? Get it, I tell you. Dude, no way. I'm around UTA. Right, we've got you now. Dinky-Doo, our single mum's getting too much pip. Cheeky chappy. Nobody's getting too much pip now. We need to be taxing the rich and not the poor. What kind of politicians tax poor people? You know what I mean? I tell you, Stirlingshire, George, a very fine part of the world. 35 years ago, I set up your radio station, Central FM in Stirling. I don't know if you listen. You should do. Great station. You'd be a great president of the USA, Scottie. Captain Glasgow, I would love to be president of the USA, or certainly in Donald Trump's cabinet, but the problem I've got is I'm not an American citizen. The rich are getting richer, whilst we need to deal with it. Stop talking till I finish. Right, Troy, you finish. Yes, I remember that. You finish, I'll stop. Good morning, Scottie. Hope you're well. Kareem, lovely to have you with us. Very well indeed, and I hope you're well. And a big Dinky-Doo to you. I tell you. Busy, busy morning, Kareem. Absolutely mobbed on here. Guys, I need another 19 followers. ASAP. That's what it's all about. Get yourselves on there. You could become an American, Scottie. I think, well, I'm an honorary Yorkshireman. So that would be good. Kareem, thank you for your beautiful gift. You're the number 3 gifter. Just amazing. Spartacus. We love seeing Spartacus when it comes on. Guys, I'm getting to know so many of you beautiful people. Margaret, thank you for sharing. That's such a lovely thing to do. Wonderful stuff. We like that. Ray Ray has followed us. Guys, keep telling me where you're watching from. That's what's fascinating. I'm going to have to go soon. We're running out of time. Oh, no. I need more followers. I might be going up. I don't know where that is, Norman. I'll tell you. Ray Ray is in London. Ray Ray, good morning to you. Oh, maybe it's because I'm a Londoner. Fox in the Box has joined us. What's up from the Pacific Northwest USA? Do you watch still game? Yeah, I found out the other day the last actual one they made was 6 years ago. Carmen Hills between Dumbarton and Ballach. Now, why would you fish up a hill? You need to tell me. Who's the handsome fellow in the background? That's Lord Reith the Labrador. Isn't he beautiful? I tell you, I recently read that one of the first Canadian Prime Ministers was a Glaswegian Scottie. Who did we have? Yes. Oh, there'll be lots of Scots. Gutenberg, Morgan, McCLUE. Guten Morgen. Nicht Deutsch zu sprechen, ich bin ein Ausländer. Nicht verstehen. It's got a nice wee open space, plenty of fish up there. Right, so you've got a wee lock-in, Norman. So I tell you. So, Specky, guten Morgen, yeah. Which part of Germany are you from? Now, who else have we got here? Captain Glasgow, you are an absolute rock. Specky's laughing. We love that. Guys, another 17 followers. Everybody up to the top left. Tap, tap, tap. That's what it's all about. I'm going to have to go soon. I hope you have a beautiful morning. You beautiful people. Thank you for joining us. And thank you for staying. We need just a few more of you now. As I say, I need another 17 followers. And that's what it's all about. Everybody's been very generous, guys. There's a wee goal there. People have been just spoiling me. It's a fine morning out there. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Specky, I've just passed that on to the world. That's gone right out to everywhere. Just amazing. So powerful. Jack, Dinky-Doo, Tom, thank you for liking the live. Guys, get following, liking, sharing, everything. So important, I tell you. Now, I need 17 followers. I'm going to watch for a few seconds, and I want every one of you who can, if you're able, to follow me. Right? Follow me as soon as you can. That's what we want to see. So I'm looking for more followers. So if we go up and tap the left, I only need 16 of you. 16 people. I think after 40 years of public service, I can manage 16 people on my TikTok. What do you think? Now I need 15. I'm just watching, and then I'll come back and give you a shout out. So I think you pop up to the top left and hit the plus. Is that right? I'm following Scottie McCLUE. And everybody on TikTok should follow, because this is TikTok's top talk show. You know, and that's pretty big. You try saying that then. Come on, guys, another follower, please. I'm going to do a general sup. Whoa! I've just done a beautiful join my team. Oh, that's lush. So there we are. Guys, another 5 followers. And then that's us done, business done. So 5 of you up to the top and follow. And whoa, I need 4 of you now. 4 of you following. And get sharing. Look at all the videos. Watch the lives. Fantastic. That's what it's all about. Tom's just followed. Thank you. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Morning, big man. Free Renfrew. Remy, lovely to have you with us. Free Renfrew. David has reposted. David, thank you. What a beautiful name. So there we are. The internet is different. Oh, it's definitely different. Have you just joined it, big man? Yes, oh, you'll love it. Sure, let's see, absolutely. Thank you, DJ, for following. This live's made my day, Scottie. Captain Glasgow, you've made everybody's day. I can tell you. There we are. Remy, thank you for your beautiful jester cat. Hey, you're 36 in the team, David. Follow us, guys. There we are, and I can shout you out. Ah, I'm used to the internet. Oh, you've seen it before? Ah, excellent. I wondered. I thought you'd just discovered it because you said it was different. Different to what? Different to writing letters. Would you rather do email or would you rather sit down with a nice piece of parchment and write something and then send that out over maybe 3 or 4 days? Remy, thank you so much for another jester cat and a flame heart. Isn't that beautiful? You guys have ruined me with your gifts and your love. Just amazing. Right, we need 2 more followers. Come on. Lazy bones. Get following. Thank you very much. Guys, I'm going to have to go in 3 minutes. All right? We've got 3 minutes. It's dark here in the big house. Have they not put the lights on yet? Partly you guys are getting ruined. You used to just get radios. Do you want a tune on the Mythy? Will I give you a tune on the Mythy? Right, tune on the Mythy. Look, 4 notes. I've got 4 notes. My honor little lady. Did you like that? 4 notes. And it goes in its little box. We love it. My father, it was my father's. And it was lost for 29 years. And we found it last week. I'm used to typing. I haven't written to anybody. Sorry, I've not wrote anything on paper in years, Scottie. I can barely do my signature these days. Captain Glasgow, I bet you've got a lovely signature with a flourish. Take care, big man. You too, Dave. Lovely to have you with us. DINKY-DOO. That's an amazing, a great find. Oh, Remy, I was beside myself with joy. I thought, Dad's wee Muthie. He went and he came in with it one day. And he was a great musician. I mean, I can't really play it. But we get by. 2 more followers, guys. 2 followers, please. And I am watching right now. And then we've all got to go. And you've got to go. And you've got to get into the shower. And, you know, some of you might do the old flannel wash. Whereas I just do the old flannel. 2 more followers. Up to the top left. My goodness, behave yourselves. Guys, thank you for your kindness this morning. We're also collecting funds to expand the program because we're on the YouTube channel. Yes, the Scottie McCLUE talk show. Get on there. Lots of beautiful movies for you and lots of lovely talk. So get on. Come on, people, follow you. I only need two. Only need two, Captain. It's not the end of the world. 2 more followers. There we are, and we are there. I think you have to go up to the top left and follow. So I don't want people to go to any bother. This is beautiful. Now, who else have we got? We've got Oneji, who's just got the number 2 gifter badge for their kindness. I followed. Sonny, thank you very much. Yes, you have. Thank you to Sonny for following. Hello from Paisley in Glasgow. Swifty, you'll be getting a row off the people. The Paisley folk don't like to be thought of as Glaswegians, as Ouijies, because they're buddies. Right? That's where the name spinster came from. Married women didn't spin in the mills. It was unmarried women, and they were spinsters. Fit like Faber Dean, Scottish J. How lovely to hear you for the Granite City. Fit like loon. I tell you, when are you back on the radio? I know, Jade. That's what we need. 1 more follower. 1 more follower. And we are laughing. That's amazing. Thank you so much, you beautiful, beautiful people. What I'll do, guys, we chop up this show and pop up little videos. So make sure you watch and see if you can hear the one you're on. Swifty says, to be lovely weather today. I know, Swifty. That's why I had to make sure that we were on early, because everybody will be going out to enjoy the weather. 1st of April. Oh, yes. I'm no fool, you know. I'm not just an athlete. So there you are. It's wonderful. Dave Dinky-Doo, I tell you, lovely to have you with us. Captain Glasgow, you've just been an absolute rock, I tell you. Now, who have we done it? 1 follower. We're looking for 1 follower. There must be a thoroughly switched-on human being who could follow Scottie McCLUE. Who's it going to be? You go up to the top left. As I say, I don't want to give you hard work. Up to the top left, and you tap. Hey! Who's done that? We need to name you. Yes, name you on here is a good thing. I remember as a kid hearing you on the radio, Scottish J. That's going back a wee bit. Swifty! Swifty, it's you who's followed. You wonderful, wonderful person. There we are. Scottie, I need some advice. Go on, big yacht. It sure is. I'm 41 now. Wow. That would be 30 years ago if it was Scot FM. Yes, Scot FM. That was the finest radio station Scotland's ever had. And for some reason, some dafties came in and made a mess of it. You know, the usual thing. Usual thing. You always get that. If something's good and going well, somebody will come in and make a mess of it. I tell you. I unfollowed and followed you again. Sorry. Tried to help. No, Swifty, you have helped. You know, if it wasn't you, it's somebody else. We've got the follower. Wonderful. Right, I've got to go, guys. I've only got 30 seconds left. And then we have to say bye. Bye for the day. Ryan's just joined. Dinky-Doo Ryan. Lovely to have you with us. Keep it up, says Terrible. I remember listening to you when I was a kid. Keep it up. Yes. Have a good day. You too, Swifty. Take care, Scottie. You, Scottish J. I'll sing you all the goodbye song. Right. After 2. Join in. After 2. 2. Goodbye, everybody, goodbye. Take care, everybody, as you go. Goodbye, everybody. Auf Wiedersehen. Au revoir. And cheerio. Love you guys. Take care of yourselves. Ta-la-las. Stick out your tongue and say, Papa. Papa.